Hello everyone, I'm Saran, and in this video I will introduce you to my TRS4R3N SOC Monitor project. If you are ready, let's begin. By the way, since my minor is artificial intelligence, this is the first project I will develop using machine learning. And we are started TRS4R3N SOC Monitor v3.0. TRS4R3N SOC Monitor v3.0 is a cross-platform SOC simulation tool that performs log analysis on Windows, Linux, and macOS systems, conducts threat classification using basic machine learning logic, and provides real-time system monitoring. This project is my first machine learning supported cybersecurity project. Project objectives: understand log analysis projects, stimulate SOC logic, detect attacks such as brute force and privilege escalation, and perform real-time endpoint monitoring to introduce machine learning from a security perspective. The project aims to understand log analysis projects, simulate SOC logic, detect attacks such as brute force and privilege escalation, perform real-time endpoint monitoring, provide an introduction to machine learning from a security perspective, architectural structure. The project consists of 5 main layers. One layer, authorizing control layer, Windows. The program automatically checks admin privileges in Windows. It restarts itself with run as if necessary. It provides access to security and Sysmon logs. And third, 2 seconds log collection layer. Windows Sysmon log, security log, Active Directory security log, and Linux var log and auth.log and var log syslog, reading my software, and macOS var log system.log and var log secure.log. Third layer, ML classification layer. It performs the threat classification based on event ID and log content for Windows events. Event classification 4060-25 brute force and 4720 and 4725 admin privilege assignment, failed password brute force, and sudo commands detected privilege escalation. And this version use rule-based machine learning simulation and 4-layer network monitoring. This programs using PS util, active connections, PID and process ID, process name, local IP and remote IP, and connection status updated every 5 seconds, and 5-layer performance monitoring, CPU usage percentage and RAM usage percentage update every second. GUI structure: the interface consists of 5 main sections: panel contact, left system logs, and middle Active Directory and user logs, right machine learning analysis, and top CPU and RAM bottom network connections. And I tell the data flow in my program, event log and auth.log after event parsing, after ML and predict function, and after trade classification, after and ML machine learning analysis panel. Now I am telling how the installation my software on your system. Python minimum, Python 3.9 plus. If you wanna check on your system Python version, Python and hyphen version. And step 2, recurrent libraries and Windows pip install psutil and pandas and pywin 32 and Linux macOS pip install psutil and pandas and Sysmon for Windows recommended, Sysmon installed otherwise. If you don't have Sysmon not installation on your system, not problem. Windows events security captured logs, but if you still want to install it, you can download and install it. It's from Microsoft Sys internals and running on your system. Open the command center and write Python 3 and TRS4R3N SOC Monitor.pa or one your Linux or macOS sudo Python 3 TRS4R3N SOC Monitor and PA. Security perspective, this tool is suitable for blueteam practice and log analysis training, SOC simulation, event ID learning, instant response, beginner level. My goal to learn SOC processes to experience the combination of machine learning plus security, to become an expert into blueteam fields. I'm open to feedback. So thanks for watching my videos. If you like this video and my projects, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.